2:30 a.m. we started towards the summit. It was completely pitch dark. At 5 a.m., due to some hidden sunlight, we were able to see our surrounding. Weather was damn cold and temperature was in -°C. हमने कुछ heavy jackets and shoes पहने थे to maintain our body temperature and weight to be normal. Due to the lack of oxygen and our 5-6 layers of clothes, climbing में दिक्कत हो रही थी. It was summer, so almost snow melt हो गई थी और रास्ता slippery, which is increasing the risk of climbing. And frankly, उस टाइम थोड़ा डर लग रहा था, कहीं स्लिप हो गए तो. We was expecting to see sunrise, but कल रात के heavy snowfall के कारण काफ़ी ज़्यादा clouds आ चुके थे. It was already 6, but we couldn't see sunrise and suddenly snowfall started. That was a wow moment for us, क्योंकि पहाड़ों की snowfall कुछ और ही excited होती है. जहां हम समिट की ओर बढ़ रहे थे, वहीं नीचे कुछ लोग स्नोफॉल के मजे ले रहे थे. किसी ने सच ही कहा है, जहां हो बस वहीं रुक के उस मोमेंट को एंजॉय करो. नीचे वेदर नॉर्मल ही हो रहा था, वहीं ऊपर स्नोफॉल काफ़ी तेज़ी से बढ़ रही थी और कुछ कदम दूर चलते ही हम समिट पहुंच चुके थे. Finally, we reached to the top of Kedarkantha, and that is Kedarkantha summit. To be here after hard climbing, this thought actually gives me a goosebump, and the feeling is completely awesome. Heavy snowfall होने के कारण हमें वहाँ से बस कुछ मिनटों में ही निकलना पड़ा. Best part of snow trek is you can just slide at the time of descending, that too with safety and precaution. So we came from there. जो रास्ता हमने अंधेरे में देखना मिस कर दिया था, अब वही रास्ता हमें नीचे जाने के लिए रेडी हो चुका था. पूरे ट्रैक में वी फोकस टू मेंटेन अवर बॉडी हाइड्रेटेड, बिकॉज हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सर्ट हो चुके थे. एज इट वॉज अ होली टाइम, सो आफ्टर रीचिंग द बेस कैंप वी सेलिब्रेटेड आवर विक्ट्री विद द कलर्स ऑफ होली. मोमेंट्स कब यादें बन जाती हैं पता ही नहीं चलता, और इन्हीं सब यादों और एक्सपीरियंस के साथ हम संकरी पहुंच चुके थे.
guys, first of all good morning, and I would like to talk about this dress. This is Datu. This is completely a Pahadi dress. This is Datu and this is the coat. That coat is as warm as the combination of your two jackets and it's completely warm. Guys, so this is our next morning of summit. We have already done with the summit yesterday. Summit was very good and it's quite low to medium range trek. So
I learn only one thing from this summit. It's just like that. Willpower is more important than stamina, and if you have a willpower to achieve anything, you can easily achieve the dream of your summit. See you soon in next trek. Till then, take care and goodbye.
signing off for the now.